Welcome to our tutorial on type conversion in programming, a crucial concept for data manipulation. In this first section, we'll explore implicit type conversion, also known as coercion, where the language automatically converts one data type to another. This often happens in expressions involving different data types. Next, let's delve into explicit type conversion, also known as casting. Unlike implicit conversion, explicit conversion requires the programmer to manually convert data types using built-in functions. This is common when you want precise control over data types in your code. Finally, let's discuss potential pitfalls and best practices in type conversion. Be cautious of data loss during conversion, especially when converting from a float to an integer, as it truncates the decimal. Always validate input data before conversion to avoid runtime errors.